everyone, I hope you're all having a great day. It is May 24 weekend in where I am in Canada right now. So when I'm filming this, it's Monday, which is nice to have a bonus day off of work. So why not film all the videos that have been, or all the boxes that have been piling up in my dining room. So today we're going to be unboxing the Topbox mystery box. So this is, it's not really a monthly subscription, but you can, you know, obviously keep an eye out for it monthly. It's $25 Canadian, which is nice, and I don't have to pay for shipping or exchange rate. So I do like getting this box basically for that reason. Basically for that reason. I'm trying to get into it without cutting myself. Yeah, and it is filled with deluxe samples. Let's get into it. You get some good stuff. Like I got Elizabeth Arden skincare in the last one, which was lovely. Alright, so it doesn't really tell us anything except thank you for purchasing. And this is what it looks like. So there's all kinds of stuff. You get a lot of samples in this box. So let's see what we got. Alright, first up is a squeezy tube from Wella Professionals. And it is a color motion, a structure mask with Wellaplex bonding agent. So this is for colored hair. I don't have colored hair, so I will pass this along. I mean, unless you count my Arctic blonde highlights here. So I'll pass this along to somebody that does have colored hair. Next up is a tiny little jar from Glam Glow. Oh, nice brand. Moisture Trip Omega Rich Moisturizer. Apply evenly to clean face and neck, morning and or night as part of your usual skincare regimen. So, it doesn't really have a strong scent. You know, that won't go very far. But it's a nice sample to have. Alright, next up we have a much larger squeezy tube from Kalaya. I want to say Kalaya. That's not what it is. Oh, this is a hand sanitizer with hyaluronic acid. So that helps prevent dry skin. Oh, that's nice. Can't have enough hand sanitizer right now. Oops. Smells like hand sanitizer. And it looks like hand sanitizer. Oh, yeah. Oh, she's pungent. Whew. Oh, yeah, definitely hand sanitizer. Woo! It'll be nice to have it not dry out your skin though. And then from the Benefit Cosmetics, we get this in a lot of these boxes. This is the Professional Pore Primer. I have a bunch of these, so I'll probably pass this along. But it's a really nice tinted pore primer. But I already have a couple of these mini sizes and a large, so I'll pass that along. Next up, we have got from Clarence Paris, a Reboost Refreshing Hydrating Cream for normal skin. The perfect balance of fruit and plant extracts for healthy looking skin. So again, a really tiny little deluxe, not even deluxe, just a tiny sample. But it's Clarins, which is a really good brand, so I will keep that for myself. Alright, next up, we've got from Cake. 9 sticker dots, microneedle spot dots for rapid blemish relief. Totally to die for overnight spot solution. So I don't get a lot of acne anymore. So I might pass this along, but I might keep one for when I get like a hormonal breakout, which isn't very often, but you know, it would be good to have. It depends on, I don't want to open it if, you know, if they're going to dry out. It sounds weird also in there. Yeah, so I might pass this along. Or I might keep it, I'm not sure. Okay, next up, Estee Lauder. I think we got this in the last box. Advanced Night Repair, Synchronized Recovery Complex 2. So now I can even have more nightly repaired skin. It's a really small bottle. How many milliliters are we talking? 7 mils or 0.24 fluid ounces. It's a really nice brand, really nice product. So I'm happy to have that. What do we got next? Ooh, we got 3 nice size products left. So from Cleo Noir, we have got something. It doesn't say if it's a lipstick or a blush stick or what shade it is. So maybe we can tell once we open it. That's the thing about these, is that if it doesn't say, I don't know what the heck it is. Why do they make things so Megan proof? Oh my goodness. Many minutes have passed, but I finally got it open. Alright, so this looks like a lip color, I think. Yeah, I'd say that's a lip color. It's really pretty. More probably for fall and winter. Actually, it's a really nice color. I'm doing this without my glasses from far away, so hopefully I don't mess it up too much. Yeah, like there. Oh yeah, good job. Alright, well, aside from the fact that I messed it up quite a bit, it's a really pretty color. It definitely comes out more berry on the lips than it shows on the stick. But yeah, pretty. All right, next up, another nice size product from I think it's from Deuce. Yes, Deuce Boombastic Lash Volumizer Mascara. Nice. In the shade black. Oh wow, look at the bristles on this one. Really good at picking up the fine hairs, I'd say. Just swipe it. Might be a little dry, but then again, it's not meant to go on your hand. That's nice. That's a nice sized item. And then it looks like we have one thing left. So these are probably 2 full-size things, and I bet you this is as well, the sanitizer. Okay, the last thing is in bubble wrap, so she needs protecting. So this is from Hikari Shimmer Bronzer in the shade Radiate, I believe. I don't use a lot of bronzers, mostly because I overdo it. But I can always pass it along. Oh, cute! So it's a quad. It's actually really nice. So you've got like a pink blush and then 2 shimmers and more of a matte. So let's swatch this just because I haven't swatched anything yet today.
Except for the lipstick and mascara
I really
swatches
like
on your
pink,
other hand, lady.
This pink shimmer. Get a little bit more of that. So that is the blush, and then the 2 shimmers, and then the bronzer. This is a nice bronzer color for me because it's not too deep. But those shimmer highlighter colors are really, really pretty. And so is that blush shade. I actually like this. I might keep this. Maybe. All right, let's pick my favorites out of all of this. We got a lot. Okay, so for $25 Canadian, we got 10 samples. I would say that these are probably more full size. So, you know, 3-ish full size and 7-ish. Well, this is probably full size too, so 4 full size. Sorry, all the emergency vehicles drove by. So yeah, we got like 4 full size, 6 deluxe size, which isn't bad for 25 Canadian. Favorites, I'm gonna go with the Elizabeth Arden, and then the mascara, the lip color, this quad, the hand sanitizer, The Pore Primer, just because I do have a bunch of them, but I like this product a lot. The Clarins, the Glam Glow, and then this hair mask for colored hair. Oh, and then this, just because I won't really use these two products, but I will pass them along. Somebody, yeah, I think I'll pass this along as well. Yeah. Yeah, so all in all, I'm not too, you know, I am happy with what I got. You know, I'm glad I didn't have to pay the exchange rate. So yeah, I want to thank you all for watching. And if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you could hit like down here. You can hit here to subscribe and see more videos. And there's also more videos here and here for your viewing pleasure. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.